So welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Drishti, and in today's video I am going to show you everything that I got from my Thailand trip. And I kind of went crazy because I haven't shopped from a very long time. First disclaimer, I have not done any luxury shopping, so if you thought that this video is all about that, so feel free to skip this video right now. But if you are into affordable shopping, so stay tuned till the end because I've got a lot to show you. I am filming this video almost after a month when we started on this trip, almost. So a lot of things we have already eaten because they were about to get expired. My husband was after me to shoot this video because मैं उसको कोई भी चीज़ को हाथ नहीं लगाने दे रही थी, क्योंकि मैंने बोला था मुझे पहले शूट करना है, उसके बाद ही मैं कुछ भी यूज करना स्टार्ट करूंगी because I really wanted to show the original packaging and everything, and I'm seriously very excited to show what all I got. So without any further ado, let's just get started. I have sorted things day wise. So first we went to Phuket and then Krabi, and in both of the places we did not shop much. If you have seen the Thailand vlog, specifically the day one vlog, then you would probably know that I forgot to take my face wash. So I had to buy one from 7-Eleven. This is by Dr. Montri Facial Foam, Whitening and Oil Control, since I have oily skin. So I got this one. This was pretty decent, and I think it was for 59 baht. You can convert it into rupees. I know you're smart enough. It controlled the oil on my face for 2 to 3 hours. I think it's doing a decent job for the price it retails for. We went to Old Town. If you've seen the vlog, we found this photo booth and I really wanted to get a picture click, and this is what we got. That was our very first time, and honestly we were in such a rush because our cab was waiting. I think we did not pay attention, and we got this LGBTQ background on our picture. Like, wow. It was actually for 100 baht, but go check out my day 2 vlog to know why we spent 200 baht on this picture. And my husband was clearly not happy about it कि 200 बात की एक फोटो खिंचवा रहे हैं हम. Drishti, are you stupid? Are you out of your mind? So we went to Chilwa Market. I think I'm pronouncing it right. On day 3, the first thing that I got was this fridge magnet. It's really nice, colorful one, and kind of like a postcard. I think this was for 50-60 baht. So Chilwa Market is a night market, and I got this clutcher. This was for 40 baht, I think. I know, a little expensive, but look at the size, it's too big. That's how I convinced myself. And the color and everything is nice because they keep saying 20, 30, 40 baht, so it's like, oh, that's cheap. And when you actually convert it into rupees, then you realize that it's kind of expensive. But now that I look at it, there are little quality defects in it, I think. I don't know if you can see it on camera. The finishing is not that good, I would say, but it's cute, so we're gonna settle on that. Next thing I got from Chilwa Market came in this super cute poly bag. This is just the perfect size. See, I got this goat milk keratin treatment, and this was for 59 baht, I think. And just look at it, the bag is just of appropriate size, not too big, not too small. I'm gonna like keep this bag with me forever. तक मुझे बैग कूड़ा नहीं लगने लग जाएगा अपने घर में कहीं पे पड़ा हुआ. I'm gonna keep it safe till then. So another thing that I got from Chilwa is this phone cover. It says better things are coming. Both of us did not check that it's for 15 Pro Max. So waste for me, and it was for I think 100 baht. 250-300 रुपए मेरे waste हो गए इसमें. Comment कर देना किसी को खरीदना. This was it for Phuket. So then we went to Krabi. Okay, first things first. Normal local shops से I got this sun hat. We were on our day tour to Phi Phi Island, and I really wanted a cap or a hat, a very nice one, so I got this one. I really liked it more than me. My husband liked it on me, so I got it. We stayed in Ao Nang, and हम उसी वाली night market में गए थे, Ao Nang वाली. We got these mango slices. This was for 100 baht. बस ये खराब ना हो चुकी हूँ अभी तक. Fingers crossed. I really wanted to try it, लेकिन वीडियो के लिए मैंने बचा के रखा था. Then we got this Krabi का fridge magnet, and this another one that says Thailand. I got few face masks as well. This one is eye mask, collagen moisturizing lip mask. बाकी के face mask बैंकॉक से जो face mask लिए थे उसमें mix हो चुके हैं, so I don't remember मैंने कौन से कहाँ से क्या लिया था. एक चीज़ मैं आपको दिखाना भूल गई. We went on a day tour to Phi Phi Island, so वहाँ से मैंने ली थी ये fridge magnet. This is a seahorse. काफी cute color में है ये. And collected few shells from the beach. Ew! पूरी थैली में मिट्टी है. Shit. आई थिंक हम थोड़ी सी थाईलैंड की मिट्टी ले ही आए हैं अपने साथ. सो दिस वाज इट फॉर दिस वीडियो. लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो कि आपको सबसे अच्छी चीज कौन सी लगी. व्लॉग्स भी देख लेना थाईलैंड के. एवरीथिंग इज पोस्टेड ऑन माय चैनल. मैंने पूरा अलग से प्लेलिस्ट बनाया हुआ है थाईलैंड का. तो सी यू इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो. लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब सब कुछ कर देना प्लीज यार. बड़ी मेहनत लगती है सब कामों में. बाय बाय एंड टेक केयर.